children, welcome to the science online class. Okay, in the our last lesson is body movements, and in the lesson we have learnt about the body movements, how our body parts moved, and what are the things help in our motion. Okay, our next lesson is changes around us. Okay, just imagine that you may get some magical powers, and you can change things around you. Okay, what do you want to change around you? Okay, many things you will wanted to change, make changes around you. Okay, but we do not have such magical powers, but still we can change many things, many changes around us. Okay, can you list a few things you can change around you with no magic involved? Because without magical powers we are changing many things in our life, day-to-day life around us. Okay, and many changes are taking place around us on their own without our magical power or our influence. Many things are changing around us. Okay, in the fields the crops change from time to time. Sometimes leaves falls from trees, change color and dry out. The flowers bloom and then wither away. Or any changes happening in your body? Yes, your nails grow, your hair grows, you grow taller, and your weight increases as you grow. Okay, and did you realize earlier that so many changes are taking place around you all the time? Isn't it? Around you many changes are taking place. Okay, so can some of the changes be grouped together? Okay, let us see in the lesson. Okay, so can all changes always be reversed? First we are going to look about some changes, and whether we have to check all the changes are can be reversed. Okay, let us see through some activities. Okay, activity 1, take a balloon and blow it. Take care that it does not burst. Okay, the shape and the size of the balloon have changed, isn't it? Before that, before blowing the balloon, it is very small in size, isn't it? And it has a different shape. But after blowing the ball, blowing the balloon, it will the size can be greater. Okay, the size is bigger one. Then the shape of the balloon is changed. Okay, and now let the air escape the balloon. Okay, release the air from the balloon. Again it it obtained its own original shape and size, isn't it? Okay, if you release the air, it will get again its original shape and size. Okay, and the next activity is take a piece of paper and fold it, shown in this picture. You have changed the sheet of paper into a toy aeroplane. Okay, you may have lots of fun in flying this plane, isn't it? Okay, once you tired of it, unfold the paper again. Okay, just you have to fold the paper and make the toy aeroplane. Okay, and after playing some time, you can unfold the paper, and you can convert it into a sheet of paper, isn't it? Is it possible? Yes, is it possible? Okay, and the next one, take some duff and make a ball. Try to roll out a roti. Maybe you are not happy with this with its shape and wish to change it back into a ball of duff again. Okay, you have to take the duff and you have to make a small ball and roll out as a roti. Okay, and if you don't want the shape, or if you want to get the ball again, means you can take the roti and make it as a ball, isn't it? So just observe the above said 3 activities. Okay. Now I'm asking some questions. Was it possible to get the balloon back to its original shape and size? The second one, was the size of the paper same as before and after making an aeroplane? And was it possible to get back the ball of duff again? Okay, in all the activities, we can we are made some changes, okay, in their shapes and their size also. But after that, again we are getting the original shape of the things, original shape of the materials and original size of the materials, isn't it? So it means that the changes occurring in these activities can be reversed. Okay, the changes can be reversed. Reversed means we are getting the old size and shape. Okay, now let us repeat the same activities with a small difference. Okay, the same activities but with a small difference. So activity 4 is take the same balloon and you have to blow it to its full size and tie its mouth with a string tightly. Okay, like this in the picture. Now prick it with a pointed tip of a pencil or any needle or a pin. You have to prick it. Okay, so what will happen? The balloon will burst. Okay, and the next activity, take the same piece of paper which you are used to make the toy aeroplane. Okay, and draw an aeroplane on it and cut along its outline. Okay, you have to draw an aeroplane and you have to cut along its outline. Okay, and the next activity is roll out a roti from a ball of duff again and bake it on a tawa. Okay, so we have to bake the roti. Okay, so these are the next 3 activities, but we have made some changes in that. Okay, now you can say whether the things, the materials can be reversed. Otherwise the activities which we have done or changes which we have done can be reversed, because when in activity 1 we are blowing a balloon and again release the air, it will come to its original shape, isn't it? But in the activity 4, what we have done, we have to make the balloon burst. Okay, after that, after this activity, can we get the original shape and the size of the balloon? No, it's possible because it burst. Okay, and in the second activity also we have made the toy aeroplane and unfold the paper, we can get the sheet of paper. But in the activity 5, what we have done, we are cutting down the shape of the aeroplane, okay, through its outline. But again we cannot change it as a paper, as a sheet of paper, isn't it? And the next activity also, in the activity 3, we are making the roti and also again we can get the ball of duff. But in the activity 6, after making it bake it, okay, after bake it we cannot get the ball of duff, isn't it? So in these activities the changes cannot be reversed. Okay, this is the main thing. Okay, so in some changes, okay, many changes are taking place around us. In some activities the changes can be reversed, but in some activities the changes cannot be reversed. So we can group these changes as reversed changes and irreversed changes. Okay, so likewise many activities are we can see many changes around us in our day-to-day life. So you have to make the table, prepare a table. Okay, some common changes they have given, and you have to fill in this page. Okay, first one they have done for you. First column is change, and second column is can be reversed or not. If the changes is reversed means you have to write yes, otherwise it cannot be reversed means you have to write no. Okay, first one, raw egg to boiled egg, yes or no? No. Okay, raw egg can turn into boiled egg after cooking it, but boiled egg cannot be turned into raw egg, so you have to write no in this one. In the next one, batter to idli. Okay, so this is your homework, children. You have to fill this table. And third one, wet cloths to dry cloths. Okay, and woolen yarn to knitted sweater. Grind to its flour. Cold milk to hot milk. Straight string to a coiled string. Butt to flour. Milk to paneer. And cow dung to biogas. And stretched rubber band to its normal size. And the last one, ice cream to molten ice cream. So think well and prepare, fill this table. Okay, children, up to this the class is over now. After this we will meet in the next class. Thank you, children.